Yeah, let's see what we can do today. I've made snowmen before. I have a Christmas tree project coming up. Let's make a Santa decoration. So, just a rough idea. Let's see what we can sketch out. Doesn't help when your pencil lead breaks right off the bat. Like that. I'm using a 3/8 inch piece of plywood to make this project with. So first I wanted to sketch out how big the head was going to be for the Santa face. And then I took a piece of plaster lath and I'm going to make a brim out of the plaster lath. And I'm also going to use that to make a mustache with. Doesn't take too long to get this cut out on the bandsaw. After all the pieces are cut out and sanded down, time to put it together. Just lay it on top of each other, see what it looks like. My brim's just a little bit too small, so I'll be making a bigger brim for this thing. I'm using wood buttons for the nose. Kind of like the smaller one better, but try different ones, see what you like. After all the pieces are the way you want, it's time to give the project a coat of paint. Of course the beard and the brim on the cap is white, but I like to go ahead and paint everything white to begin with. That helps the paint that we put on top of it, makes it shine, pop if you will, a lot nicer color. Color really comes through better on white. I have red spray paint for the cap, so I went ahead and cut a piece of paper to kind of as a stencil if you will, keep the paint off of the face. So I'll line that up and give the cap a quick coat of red paint. After everything's dry, it's time to glue the pieces together. Just regular glue works pretty good. You can hot glue it if you're in a hurry, that way you don't have to wait for the glue to set up before the next step. I took a piece of craft wire to fasten into the cap, just something to hang it with, and it makes it look a little more decorative. I just used one staple in the back to hold the wires in place. Not really worried about them falling off, but why take a chance? Need to put a little bit of age on him, so I have some 100 grit sandpaper. Give him a little bit of weathered look here. Just a random pattern for sanding. You don't want anything too organized. Kind of hit the edges along the sides. That helps a lot. So we can see, have the face painted on it. It's kind of stressed a little bit. Time to put a stain on. This is golden oak. Some people like it. We kind of like it with our stuff. And if you like yours lighter or darker, if you have a favorite stain, that's wonderful. And if you don't, experiment. See what you like the better. Or the best, whatever the case. Since this is going on something that's already painted, it's not going to soak in. It's going to sit on top a lot. So just kind of daub the heavier spots and let the other ones dry. So, we'll give that a bit. See what it looks like after it dries. Everyone knows Santa flying around in the sled is going to get some cold, rosy cheeks. So, just some regular makeup and give him a couple little cheeks right there. To seal everything in, quick coat of clear, kind of ties everything together, gives everything its own, the same sheen, just in case one of your paints was a little shinier than the rest of the other. It also helps lock that makeup into the cheeks. This product, a couple of different options. Just flipping the brim on the hat upside down gives it a different look altogether. You may like the wood cutout ball for the cap, or you can make it look a little more fancier with other things. You can also personalize these. You could write welcome across the brim of the cap, or possibly somebody's name, just whatever you have in mind. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Sign up, subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you. See you next time. Remember to ring the bell.